2011 Corvette Grand Sport. These are the ride height adjusters. Car has 45,000 miles on it, 4 track events, and I saw that this was starting to deteriorate on the passenger side. The passenger side also has some kind of funky swirling, scraping noise, which is probably the brakes, but 45,000 miles, and this one is nearly destroyed. This is the driver's side. I would call it just fine, and both rears are fine as well. So I just replaced the fronts with these PFADT stainless steel units. Has a ball end, so it moves somewhat good. So feels more responsive. Feels nice and tight up front. I'm sure there will be a little more road noise, which I haven't really recognized yet, but no complaints so far. Factory ride height was 26.5 in the front and 28 in the rear, and I lowered the front to 26 and 27 in the rear.